Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to crop and resize any image for your YouTube banner perfectly for all devices. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube banner crop tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, you will see an Upload Image to Crop section with a box that says Click or Drag Image here. Simply upload your desired banner image. After your image loads, you'll be taken to the editing workspace. Here, you'll see a dashed box right in the middle labeled Safe Area. Click and drag your uploaded image to position the most important parts of your banner, like your text, face, or logo, directly inside this safe area. This guarantees that your core branding won't get cut off when people view your channel on mobile devices. If your image is too large or small, you can use the zoom slider down at the bottom left to scale it perfectly. If you make a mistake or want to try a different look, you can easily use the undo, redo, and reset buttons on the right side of the slider. Once you are completely happy with the positioning, go to the bottom left and select your preferred file format from the drop-down menu. Finally, click the Crop and Download button. Your YouTube banner is now perfectly cropped, optimally resized, and ready to upload to your channel.